What up, homies? What up, homies? Day 3 in Dubai. Still exhausted as we were from day 0. Nothing has changed. Got my hat on, because why not? Okay, so today is a very lazy day. I mean, sometimes you need a holiday from your holiday, a break from your holiday. So we're just gonna go to the Miracle Garden, enjoy Marvel and the beauty, and then see where the day takes us from there. Otherwise, we just can't be bothered, to be honest with you. So probably see you there. Bye. Where's the person? Oh, sorry. So anyway, we ended up at the Dubai Mall as we're going to the Miracle Garden, because we went out of the hotel and immediately heat stroke. So we were like, nah, let's try and find shelter, aircon, until the sun goes down a bit. Then we can go see the Miracle Garden, and then they just have a free aquarium, literally, like in the mall. There's like fishes and everything. Free aquarium, I kid you not. Also, I can't hold my phone and talk at the same time because I've been holding my skirt down, guys. My skirt is playing games with me. So I'm busy holding it down like about POP. Mama, I love you. Hold me down.
Mama, I love you. POP, hold it down.
Guys, but anyway, I need to hold my skirt. Gotta go. But yeah, as I say, can you imagine you shopping and there's a waterfall in the background? Tell me this is not motivation for you to continue shopping.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you dare?
Finally outside. Beautiful views. Yeah, more or less. And now I feel like this is enough for one day. This is enough outside for one day. I'm done. The heat is unbearable, by the way, but we keep it moving, we keep it pushing. We said we wanted to come to Dubai, so then this is it. I need water, I need hydration. Do they have water?
Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna find your body. Please stay. It's me. Don't have to picture on the way. It's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. It's me. Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you have. Come on, save it, girl. I've been watching you. I like the way you move. So go ahead, girl, just do that shake the way you do. So grab your girls and you grab a couple more. All can meet me in the middle of the floor. So the air is thick, it's smelling right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Don't be so quick to walk away.
I can't get over how obsessed I am with myself. I hate that for me. I hate that for me. Like, I can't put away the camera, I'm taking pictures, I'm taking videos, I look like a girl, which is not common for me, by the way. Like being a person that wears sweatpants to work, being a person that wears a hairnet, wears work boots and all of that. You don't have time to look like a girl. I don't even wear dresses at work. I could technically not allowed to look like a girl actually. So I never look like a girl. And then now I'm in Dubai. It's been like 3 days and I've been looking like a girl. And you know what? I love that for me. When I go back to Germany, am I gonna be this person? No, clearly not. I'm gonna wear my sweatpants and my leggings, but I will always remember the girl I am in Dubai. Love that for me. But also, can we talk about how rich people are in Dubai? Look at the cars behind me. Like, I feel like if you're not, how do I say this? If you're not sure of your wallet, which I am not sure of my wallet, do not be in Dubai. Like, guys, the cars, the beauty, man, like everything is just so luxurious. Luxury. Yay, guys. Like abantu balapha banemali, and I love that for them. And then tinasilapha sikaphe bona, basically, like single plus one in other people's lives. But you know, I'd love that for us. Oh, you would think it's a photo. It's a video.
I know it's a video.
Ah.
Checking if you're filming.
Oh yeah, girl. Okay. Hello, beautiful people. Okay, this is not my phrase. Hi, beautiful people. Hello. Greetings to you from the Miracle Garden. It does look like a miracle. I was just got here actually. Okay, we just got here. I just wanna vent a little bit, just a little bit. I don't know if I have time. Let me just stand somewhere where there's no one else. But I just want to say, I don't get or I don't grasp the concept of going to places, ne, and taking pictures of buildings, floors, ceilings, you know, and never taking pictures of yourself. I mean, I get the concept of, you know, preserving the beauty that you've seen at the place, but I mean, come on, I want a picture of myself next to the buildings. I want a picture of myself next to the ground, next to the sky. Anything that I'm taking, I need evidence that I was there, because what's stopping me from downloading those pictures from Google? So I need to be next to the thing. So yeah, that's all I want to say.
Since we last kicked it, and by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Just go to waste time. I say it's strange, straight to your face. Won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.
Hi. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you? Greetings in the land of jet skiing. Okay, so today is a beautiful day as usual, as per usual. So agenda for today is jet skiing, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys because we are best friends now. Jet skiing was my idea. I was very adamant about going jet skiing. I fought for jet skiing. I was like, I have to jet ski, I need to. But now the problem is I can't swim. I cannot swim to save my life. I'm the kind of girl that drowns in a lifeboat. And I say this from experience because no, No, no. I'm the kind of girl that drowns in a life jacket. And I say this because it has happened before. I have drowned in a life jacket before. And I thought that going jet skiing is a great idea, knowing very well I can't swim and we're going to be in the middle of an ocean. I mean, this is more like this is the starting dock. So all the jet skis are here, parked here. So I mentioned that I can't swim thing, but did I mention that I can't drive thing? So basically I'm gonna be in water, navigating, driving, getting myself around, knowing very well I can't swim, can't drive. I am scared. I am terrified. I'm literally crying right now, but you can't see it because I cry internally. That's how I am. I was like, I need growth on this trip. I need to face my fears. I need to like get out of my comfort zone. I don't like it. I need my comfort zone back. I am crying tears. Can be a chance you an update, Azan. Let me tell you. I think our Uber's here. Hi, beautiful people. It's me again. Okay, so I didn't even get a chance, guys, to update you about how the jet skiing went because I just came off the jet and I was on a constant high. It was so amazing. Was I scared the whole time? Yes. Was I driving at like 10 kilometers per hour? Sure. Could I have gone faster? Definitely. But I mean, come on, I value my life. So, but now we are actually at the beach, JBR beach, I think. And then yeah, it's like spending the day at the ocean today because what else is there? So we can relax, go swimming, or stand in water, which is what I do. But yeah, this is what it is. It looks so amazing, by the way. But every day has been looking amazing, so whatever. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys. I really hope you can hear me in those videos because I also try to whisper because I don't want to be that crazy girl talking to herself or talking to the phone. But also, I want to try and document as much as I can for you guys because I care. And also for my future kids and my kids' kids. So we can pass down this information from generation to generation to generation. But yeah, again, look at the beauty. Can you even see? Okay.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it
From that
this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, can't tell your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe.